This is going to be a video tutorial on how to create a second Facebook identity. If you already have a Facebook account, you can create another Facebook page, which is kind of an anonymous identity. If you have a company or business, or you can basically create it for any reason that you would like. Some things that you might need first: a Facebook banner, which would be 320 by 360 pixels, and a Facebook profile image, which would be 360 by 360 pixels. The one I created here, this is the banner or cover photo, and I created a profile icon picture. Your icon will be circular. My dimensions of my background here are 360 by 360, but your profile image will come out of that circular. But those are the dimensions right there. Then all you need to do, go to Facebook, and to create another page, Facebook will even let you message people using that identity, the identity that you created. The way you create another Facebook page is this pane off to the left side here. What you want to do is find pages. If you don't see it in here, then click see more and scroll until you find where it says pages, and then click on that, and then you'll click on the where it says create new page. Click on that. Then you have to type in what you want the name of the page to be. I'm going to type and it will tell you if the name's already been taken or not. I got this little green checkbox here saying the name has not been taken. And then it wants to know what category this page is going to be in. I'm going to make it an entertainment website. And you can list more. You can add up to 3 entertainment website, arts and entertainment. I'll leave it at those 2 for now. You could always go back and change this. And then down here it wants you to add an about me description. Google will index this description on your page, so you want to make it as good of a description as possible. I'm just gonna, for now, for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go with that. You have a 255 character limit for your description. Then I'm gonna click create page. It'll take it a few seconds. So I just now created that page. And now you could scroll further now, and it asks you if you want to add a profile picture. That is your little icon thingy. I'm going to go ahead and click this. I'm going to find my icon here. I'm going to open it. Now there's my profile icon. And then it asks you, do you want to add a cover photo? I'm going to click on that. I'm going to find my cover photo, click on it, click on open. And then you click save. And it'll take it a few more seconds. Now I have created this Facebook page. You can create one for if you own a company or business, or basically anything. You could create, if you have a YouTube channel, you could create a Facebook page for a YouTube channel or anything basically. But that's all you do. My channel is now create. Now you could post, do whatever you like on it. Thanks for watching.